Welcome back to the channel, where we help you make better purchasing decisions, one product comparison at a time. Today, we're diving into the world of cleaning appliances that promise to make your floors sparkle like a diamond at a jewelry store. On my left, we have the Bissell Fresh Vac and Steam all-in-one vacuum, and on my right, we have the Schenley Steam Mop Cleaner. First up, let's talk about price. The Bissell Fresh is priced around $185, while the Schenley Steam Mop is much more budget-friendly at about $119. Reviewers of the Schenley often mention that it's a great value for money, allowing you to buy the product and still save enough for a pizza party after all that cleaning. Now let's get into functionality. The Bissell isn't just a steam mop, it's a vacuum and a steam mop. Reviewers appreciate its 2-in-1 feature for its efficiency in cutting cleaning time in half. On the other hand, the Schenley is versatile with its 7-in-1 accessories, making it great for cleaning various surfaces. One reviewer called it amazing for its ability to clean floors and windows effortlessly. Next, let's talk about heating time. The Schenley heats up in just 15 seconds, which is quicker than most reviewers can decide what to watch on Netflix. The Bissell takes longer to heat up, but users find its performance worth the wait, especially for its sanitizing capabilities. Weight and flexibility are crucial for hassle-free cleaning. Reviewers love the Schenley's lightweight design and 180-degree swivel that makes maneuvering around furniture a breeze. The Bissell, while manageable, doesn't offer the same level of flexibility, which some users found to be a drawback during cleaning. Now, let's chat eco-friendliness. The Schenley boasts a chemical-free approach, simply needing tap water to operate, which has been praised by users looking to save the planet. The Bissell also sanitizes with steam, but requires a bit more effort in preparation, making the Schenley the greener choice according to reviewers. Overall, the Bissell Fresh is praised for its dual functionality and effective cleaning, but comes with a higher price and some maneuverability issues. In contrast, the Schenley Steam Mop is celebrated for its affordability, ease of use, and versatility, making it a favorite among budget-conscious consumers. So who wins this epic cleaning showdown? If you want a multifunctional powerhouse that vacuums and steams simultaneously, the Bissell Fresh is your go-to. But if you're looking for an affordable, lightweight, and versatile steam mop that won't break the bank, the Schenley Steam Mop is calling your name. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. Also, check the description for product links.